Is your Amazon Echo Show flashing yellow light? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check notification. When Amazon Echo Show is flashing yellow light, first check if there is any notification regarding this. You can simply say, Alexa, what notifications do I have? Or, Alexa, what messages do I have? This should inform you of any unread notifications or messages. Then check the on-screen instructions in the message to fix the issue. If you do not get any such notifications, move on to the next steps. Method 2. Restart your Echo Show. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Show. Wait a few seconds and then plug it back in. Allow the device to reboot completely. Alternatively, you can ask Alexa to restart the device. Method 3. Check the battery. If your Echo device is battery powered, ensure that the batteries are fresh and properly installed. You can replace the batteries and see if this helps. Method 4. Check for obstructions. Ensure there are no obstructions or cords between your Echo device and other nearby devices that might be causing interference. If there is any such device, remove them and then check if that works. Method 5. Unmute microphone. Make sure the microphone on your Echo device is not muted. To do that, locate the microphone button. The microphone button is usually situated on the top of your Echo Show. So, find it and press the button to toggle the microphone back on. You should see the yellow light turn off, indicating that the microphone is now active and Alexa is listening for commands. Method 6. Check software updates. Ensure your Echo Show is running the latest firmware. You can check for updates by going to Settings, then select Device Options. Next, select Check for updates or similar option. Method 7. Factory reset. If the issue persists, you might need to perform a factory reset. Note that this will erase all your settings and data. To factory reset the device, press and hold the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen, go to Settings, then Device Options, then reset to factory defaults. Method 8. Consult support. If none of the shown methods could resolve the issue, you can consult the Amazon support page or contact customer service for further assistance. And there you have it, the way to fix the issue when your Amazon Echo Show is flashing yellow light. We hope one of the methods has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.